Hey everyone, friends, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show how to fix double clicking on single clicks. Go to Start, type main.cpl, hit Enter to access mouse settings. Reduce this setting to minimum to avoid double clicks. Test it. The lower, the better it might work for you. Mine was set here, but you can lower it further. There. Also, don't forget to uncheck this box here. Then click Apply and Close. Next method, open File Explorer. Where's the view? Click. The three dots, probably three dots, then Settings. Make sure this option is unchecked like this. It shouldn't be checked. It should be unchecked. Then click Apply, then OK. Next, open Device Manager, find your mouse, select it, click Disable or Uninstall device, then restart your PC using the mouse or Alt plus F. After reboot, go back to Device Manager, click Action, and scan for hardware changes. The system will detect and properly set up your mouse. That's all. This was Weller. See you later, everyone.